आप क्यों पूछ रही है? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? मैं फनकार नहीं हूँ. I'm not an artist. I'm not an artist. जब मैं बेदार हुआ तो मैं उदास था. When I woke up, I was sad. When I woke up, I was sad. जब भी मुझे अपनी पसंद की कोई चीज मिल जाती है तो वो बहुत महंगी होती है. Whenever I find something I like, it is too expensive. Whenever I find something I like, it is too expensive. शायद उसके लिए बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होगा. Maybe it will be exactly the same for him. Maybe it will be exactly the same for him. मासूमियत एक खूबसूरत चीज है. Innocence is a beautiful thing. Innocence is a beautiful thing. इंसानों का मकसद कभी भी हमेशा रहने के लिए नहीं था. Humans were never meant to live forever. Humans were never meant to live forever. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पास उसके बारे में एक नजरिया है. I think I have a theory about that. I think I have a theory about that. मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि ये कहाँ से आया है. I didn't know where it came from. I didn't know where it came from. ये अहम नहीं है. This is not important. This is not important. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. वो पूछ रही है कि ये कैसे मुमकिन है. She is asking how that is possible. She is asking how that is possible. आप सिर्फ जिंदगी की मसाइल से भाग रहे हैं. You are just running away from life's problems. You are just running away from life's problems. तुम ये कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. काश मैं जापान जा सकता. I wish I could go to Japan. I wish I could go to Japan. मुझे सोने जाना है. I have to go to bed. I have to go to bed. उसके बाद मैं चला गया. After that I left. After that I left. मैं आज तुमसे और कुछ नहीं पूछूंगा. I won't ask you anything else today. I won't ask you anything else today. ये अगले हफ्ते जम सकता है. It may freeze next week. It may freeze next week. अगरचे उसने माफी मांग ली, मैं अब भी गुस्से में हूँ. Even though he apologized, I am still furious. Even though he apologized, I am still furious. ये मेरा इरादा नहीं था. That wasn't my intention. That wasn't my intention. आपकी वजाहत का शुक्रिया. Thanks for your explanation. Thanks for your explanation. मैं नहीं जानता कि आपका क्या मतलब है. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. मेरा कंप्यूटर किसी चीज के लिए मुफीद होना चाहिए. My computer has got to be useful for something. My computer has got to be useful for something. आप मुझे आजादी के बारे में बताना चाहते थे. You wanted to tell me about freedom. You wanted to tell me about freedom. तुम वाकई बेवकूफ नहीं हो. You are really not stupid. You are really not stupid. किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. No one will know. No one will know. ये मुझे दिलचस्प लगता है. It seems interesting to me. It seems interesting to me.